Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I would discuss 3 accounts you need to start building wealth. First account is a normal checkings account. Second account you're going to open is another bank account, but it's going to be for your emergency fund. Third account you're going to open is a brokerage account / investment account. Now that I assume you're going to open those 3 accounts, you're probably wondering, okay, what am I going to do with these accounts? So your checkings accounts is going to be for your spending. From your regular income that you get from your job or whatever you work or whatever you receive your source of income, that's going to be going towards your regular checkings account. The bank account, your emergency fund, is going to be saving for emergency fund just in case anything happens. Last but not least, your brokerage account / investment account is going to be for you to start building wealth, so you can multiply your money, let your money work for you. You're going to have your regular income in your savings account. You're going to be saving for an emergency fund, multiplying your money in your investment account. So those are the 3 accounts you need. I'm going to tell you how you're going to fund those accounts. Your checkings account, you're going to set that up with your job, do direct deposit. Have all your money going to your checkings account, pay all your bills with that money, and anything left over, you transfer to your savings. Putting your money into that account, only spending what you need and saving the leftover money. The bank account you're going to use for your emergency fund, you're going to set a certain amount of money each paycheck into that account. Anything you can afford. It might be $10, $20, $25, $50, anything. Anything you can save, put it towards your emergency fund. You're going to start building that up. The whole thing about the emergency fund, you want to be on a consistent basis of just saving regular money into that account. Now we're going to move on to the investment account. You're going to open your brokerage account and you're going to select your investments. I recommend you start off with 1 ETF and 1 stock. A good ETF to buy is VUG, VOO, VTI, Total Vanguard Stock Market, Vanguard Growth Stocks, Vanguard Mid Cap. All you have to do is buy 1 Vanguard ETF that's performing well. Search on Google top performing Vanguard ETFs and pick the one that you can afford. Pick the one you can afford and just start investing your money into ETFs and just invest your money into the stock. Your asset that you're buying, like far as your investments, is going to grow up in value. That's how you're multiplying wealth. You buy stocks, you buy ETF, you're going to make money in 2 ways. Through capital appreciation when the asset rises in value, or basically earning payments. They pay dividends, which means you get a small percentage of the money back for the shares that you own. Like a quick example, you buy a share of Coca-Cola stock for $50. Coca-Cola might be paying 30 cents per share. Depends on how many shares you have. Pretty much what you're doing is buying income. Keep buying stocks, they keep giving you money. And people can do this by controlling how many dividends they want per year, per month, or on a monthly basis. They invest a certain amount of money in a stock to get a certain amount of money, to get a certain amount of money back in dividends. So if you want to start building wealth, open up a bank account, set up a normal checkers account, go to another bank, open up another account, but you're going to use that for your savings. That's going to be for your emergency fund. The third account you're going to open is a brokerage account / investment account. You cannot do this with a bank. You have to go to a brokerage firm, open an account that will allow you to buy investments. That's all I have for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.